for the delay. Unfortunately, I had a problem with my PC. It got slower, and I don't want to trade with a slow PC. So that's why I had to restart it. Welcome back, everyone. Not the price action you were expecting, Tomato. Hello, Fayaz. Hello, Tomato. Hello, guys. 90% off today with Apex. So there is a big day promotion in the last 2 days, today and tomorrow. I'm right now just running down everything. I'm gonna select blind here, and then select as well Trader Pro in my dashboard there. And we're ready. So I was putting the levels, and probably they got deleted for sure. Of course, freaking Quant Tower. Yeah, I was preparing everything. I got a hello, Active Trade Society, being long Prince since pre-market. Yesterday, Trump, what he said something very positive about China and the fact that the tariff will be, of course, always lightening it with China over and over. So that's as well what was the main news of the gap. So right now, let me put a level, because I just really had to restart my PC and I had levels selected. So right now, what the fuck is happening? Okay, I have a 709 level. 709 level. Doesn't have to be precise, just to be there. 709 level, then I have a level at 815.75. $815.75. So here I have to put one at 815.75. That's one. And then mostly that's all as a main level. You have one at just above at 1968. And then I'm gonna start right now looking at the stocks. So sorry, by the way, I'm just going left and right to preparing my dashboard. It was everything ready. Saturday at 9:25, I was ready to go live, and then of course my PC, I noticed it was slowing down, was super slow. I was like, okay, it needs a good restart. Sometimes it needs it. How are you, by the way, guys? How are you, everyone there? Hello, everyone. Yeah, that was a huge push on pre-market there, huge push. Right now we have to evaluate what the market wants to do. Right now is kind of a little bit of selling after this little push. Everything, the heat map is all green. So we're gonna be a bit relaxed. We're gonna first check if my order works. I believe it does. Yes, it copy traded. So I can remove it. And then let's see. Let's see right now. We give it a little bit of a moment. Everything there is bullish, at least with this pre-market, but we have as well a big gap there below. This is the opening of the closing of the market and the opening somewhere there. It reached the lows, 620 and 360. That's more than 260 points gap. Will it get there? I don't freaking know, but we can trade relaxed and see. I don't know, I lost as well a big piece for my live streaming, and I don't know where is it. I hope no one steal it in this residence, or after this live I have to go upstairs, because yesterday I recorded my video there, and I hope no one stole that piece. And now I'm thinking I did not have it in my hand, or I had it in my pants. I'm not sure. Wow, look at that. Look at that. What the heck is... Oh my God, guys. Look at that. Do you have a news? today as well. Oh my God, are we back to shitty news of Trump? Today is Wednesday, 9:45. Flash U.S. service PMI, and then new home sales at 10 a.m. So we have some news today, guys. I will say be careful. Be careful. But for the rest, oh my God, what is this price action there, guys? Moving insane. Moving insane. Oh, la 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 la. Some really shitty candles there. And what do I have about that level? Nothing at 66. I have nothing apart up to 200 and something, even 300, I would say. Wow, that's some shitty price action. Because if you had a short here thinking about, okay, let's take a short, then you will be down 80 points in a minute. That sucks. And what was that news, by the way? Do we have it in the news of that Wakey did? The news feed? What is Wakey, by the way, in these last days? 9:39, breaking. White House considers slashing China tariffs to de-escalate trade war. Source says WSJ. But that was kind of new already from yesterday. So this was at 9:39. Did it match? Yes, 2 minutes after was update there, yeah. I like that Discord news that WK did. So useful. So useful. Very good job. Are we gonna get a more push today? I'm gonna look and evaluate. I'm gonna look and evaluate. If I go for a long buy, 200 points today are nothing. So I might have to go to 2 points. Yeah, to 2 contracts. Yeah, this is quite a big, nice movement right now. Hi, bro, what kind of candle formed? Yeah, that was a news candle, my friend. I saw, by the way, your message in the post in the YouTube chat. I have to see what I can do for you for the record, or I'm gonna advise you. If you come to Discord, I might give you some videos to watch about people that copy trade with multiple prop firms, because I don't have multiple prop firms, but I can help you with other people videos. So right now, that's a 900 there. Epic's holding, everything is kind of holding. Even if it was that big jump right now, coming back, give it time. We'll connect with you. Perfect. Come in Discord and just chat in the main chat. So, and tag me, I will come back to you. I know there are softwares right now that can do it online, everything, by just connecting your account and they copy trade. I don't use them, but it depends then on what you use. If you use NinjaTrader, then it's possible with any copier like Apex, Replicanto. Look at that. Some nice push there. $9:45 news is coming in 3 minutes. We have some kind of support around this level, 9:15, but let's keep it chill. Let's keep it chill. And right now, guys, 90% is off with Apex. Code Hamza as many times as you want. And let's see. I'm thinking to get a long, to be honest, for a retest of that level above. I'm just evaluating situation. 2 more minutes, we have the news, even less, 1 minute and 45 seconds. I mean, every stock is kind of holding right now, so apart Tesla that sold off a little bit, but the rest is kind of holding. Apple is holding there. I think it's just a matter of 2 more minutes for the news. Then we're gonna evaluate if this is gonna be a push above or not. Only things I know is that $200 today for me are around 40 points. 45 points, 50 points because it's 2 contracts. Nice push there. Holding. Opening range break is forming right now. Will be this low here. Let's make it a different color just to have a bit more fun. And this and the inside. How do you change the color of the inside? I don't know. And one above here. Let's see. 12 seconds, guys. Good luck. Opening range break there. Opening range, I want to say, not break. Just opening range. It's there forming right now. Good morning, Abdel. Let's see how these PMI news perform. Still waiting to take my first trade of the day. I was a bit late today, but we'll catch up. Freak, I hope I didn't lose the magnet. It's so important for my live streams. So important. I hope I didn't miss it. Salada, how are you doing? Yo, Matthias, doing great, my friend. Hope you're doing great too. Bro, I do Forex prop firm with only Nasdaq, but I want to shift to future prop firm. Till now, in the last 2 months, but with copy trading, I can make huge amount, but I'm new here. Yeah, which platform are you using, Siddharth? Which platform are you using? Which platform are you using? It's the fact is, the copy trading on the same platform is already a pain in the ass. Sometimes, because you have to always be careful, and copy trading with different prop firms, it's another pain. So it's a multiple pain doing multi prop firm copy trading. Definitely possible. People do that. Short day today. Short day today. Ooh. Oh my God, short day. I don't know, it's since Amazon pushing there, Apple holding on the highs. Let's see. 15 minutes break range is still not breaking, by the way. We still have it running right now. That's the first 15 minutes of the day. Got stop loss again, Hamza. Stop is fine. Getting stopped up is fine, my friend. Accept it. It's gonna happen many times, so you're gonna reduce it over and over in the time. Right now I'm using Funded Pips and Funded Pro. I'm not using any future prop, but I'm mostly Ninja Trader and mostly likely to have 10 years. If you're using Ninja Trader, then you should be able to do it with Apex Copier or Replicanto. The best is to find this tutorial people how to do it, but it should be easy because Ninja Trader allows you to connect with different prop firms at the same time. And then when you're connected, then the copier will see which accounts are online and you're able to copy trade them. Usually you're able with Apex, Copier, and Replicanto for sure. I don't think you can do that with Quantower. I don't think Quantower allows multi-prop firm trading. Maybe yes, but with NinjaTrader for sure it does it. And if you want to do it, there are as well online services. Like they connect to your account and then they copy trade, but I never use them, so I don't know. But I can find you some videos later. Trade sync, yeah, something like that. Trade syncer. Fayaz, yes, India is accepted as a country. Then you will be paid using international system like plane.com. Plane.com is an international service for international people like me. I get paid through plane.com. You will get invited the moment you get your first payout. You will get invited and you will be able to put your bank account and then get paid in it. I mean, you can connect any bank from Plane to Plane. Plane is going to be the one that is going to send you the money. Apex send the money to Plane, and Plane then send the money to the bank account of your choice. Let's see right now, holding there, guys. Let me see. I might get in a buy soon. I'm in, guys. I'm liking it. In for a push above. Let's see how it goes. I like it. I like how Amazon is pushing. Everything is holding. Apple a bit on the highs there, but let's see how it goes. But I like Amazon really strongly pushing there. We give it the time. But I like how the stocks are holding, most of them. Direct international bank account and transaction is illegal in India. I don't know, but you play with Plane, you can put your, I guess, Indian bank account. Then you should create a ticket. I guess people will probably help you better. But that's plane.com is the service for you know what the best is, go to plane.com and connect with the ask their support if how they handle Indian bank account, but it should be fine. The moment we break above here, I'll move my stop loss to break even, because that's if we reject it, I don't want to be in. Nice push there. We're holding there. Amazon is pushing us. Everything is pushing us right now. We should get a break, hopefully. Okay, then Siddharth is helping you there more. He knows better. Siddharth knows better. Good things we have Siddharth in chat. Stop loss in break even, guys. I don't want to get a rejection of the 50 minutes range. Good luck with your 50 minutes break if you're taking it there. Let's see if we can get a nice a break above, getting our $200 there of profit. Adding for Active Trader Society, that's a beautiful closing candle there above. Hopefully we don't get a rejection around the 15 minutes. Yeah, Fayaz, if you're in Discord, come. I think you're gonna find Siddharth. Okay, I got stopped out in break even. I'm out. That's good. That was a good break even, guys. That was a great break even. That's some news there. Today is not an easy day. Wow. Wow, I'm glad I took my break-even trade there. My God. $80 pays for dinner and more. Amsa, help me trade with Webchart. Tell me everything, JM. What do you want to know? Tell me what do you want to know? Okay, Fayaz, perfect. Then I think you should find each other's in Discord there. Tag each other's. Text, maybe you can text now and see, hey, I'm Fayaz, hey, I'm Siddharth. And you're able to connect. Someone, was it you that yesterday texted if there was an Indian in the chat? Let me see. Someone yesterday asked, is there an Indian here in the chat? And I was like, there are for sure. It's just a matter of Karan. Then one Indian here, one Fayaz, one Siddharth. Siddharth, I don't know. Fayaz is there, Siddharth, Karan is there, and probably Siddharth is with another account. How do I set permanent risk of 2% per trade? 2% per trade. I'm not sure you can put a percentage risk, but you can have a bracket strategy, right? With the bracket strategy in web chart, you can put let's see right now. I have time because the market right now. Oh, let me see first if the market wants to give me a little short. So I'm looking at this. Six more minutes. I'm not trying to pick up the top, trying to get these points here. Back to the opening print level. Looking at the stocks, I guess I'm looking at its comeback here at least. Not looking for a big move. Here, risking at least these highs here. That was a good risk reward. Let me go back to, let's see how is Siddharth is asking. Let's see if I can help him. Not Siddharth. Let's look at that. Hopefully that short gonna work. Let's see. I'm trying to help the guy there. GM. Let's see if I can share my screen right now. Browser. Okay, that's my testing account. If I put here, okay, I have to put NQM5. That short is coming down. Let's see, advanced order type. I can put simple bracket. So I have a ticks and a stop loss, or a multi bracket. In that case, where is it? Simple bracket. I don't see it. Why I don't see it? Oh, here. Simple bracket, strategy setup, blah, blah, blah. AMSA, create a new one. It's still by ticks. So you can do it only by ticks, not by percentage for at least for now, looking at the situation. Let's see. And it's still there. So you always risk 2 contracts. Is that fixed? No, you could decide with how many contracts you want to risk. I risk 2 contracts because that's what I want to risk in this case, but I can risk 1 more, as much as the maximum you have for the account. If it's a 50K account, you can risk maximum 10 minis or 100 micros. But web chart has some definitely weakness, but I think it is going to come back with good improvements. $25K, just trade calm. Use macros at the beginning to learn as well, to be comfortable with the platform. Use 1 macro. Use my 1 macro, trade comfortable. 3 more minutes, we have the news. You don't need to rush anything. 1 macro at the beginning, just especially because many people try to learn a platform and they use 1 minute. That's, yeah, use a macro. Worst case scenario, you're losing $100. And then you get a bit more comfortable and your risk is higher, you put a bit more risk. Siddharth here and Siddharth here, perfect. Reverse Apex is done. Wow, that's a good point. Let's see what this market wants to do. Oh, baby. The gap is filled. Which gap? Which gap are you speaking, Matthias? The gap of my heart? You feel it the day I saw you, the day I met you. That's where you feel that gap. I was crying every day without someone, and you appear in my life, Matthias. 15th of April. 15th of April. You really went back to 15th of April. There was a New York gap low, a New York gap between New York session lower, still not filled. I don't know about daily gap. I did not check that. Well, 10 a.m. Oh my God, guys, what the heck is this market going? Long there, short there, long there, short there, long there, short there. Long there, now short. What the fuck is this market, guys? We're still, the funny thing is we're still inside the 15 minutes candle. Yeah, I'm just waiting as well right now. I'm very happy with my break-even here, to be honest. Taking out the break-even here, beautiful entry. Could have done better entering slightly before. My TP would have been here above. Yes, something like that I have to improve is like, my TP at the top would have been perfect, but it's okay. Watch the news more than the candles. I mean, yes. The news right now, by the way, we have a news feed in Discord. Just go and then left side, guys, in Discord. Below general chat, there is news feed. Wake put it, amazing Wake, we love him. And he put a news things there. Actual 0.724 million, forecast was 685. So more new home sales. New home sales change 7.4%. That's a big change from the forecast of 1.3%. What the fuck? Yeah. I'm liking the possible of short right now. I'm gonna risk it. Short. Oh, one contract. Why I put one contract? One more contract. Let's see. I like the idea of short right now. It can be a bit aggressive. I might get screwed, but we'll see. After All the liquidity grab as well on Apple, Google, all the others still on the downside. So looking for that. Maybe I'm gonna get screwed. But I like the idea of a short there. Let's see how it goes. GM, what's up? What's up? Be there with that face. You should know what each CEO of Nasdaq companies for breakfast every day. Looking for this short, my friend. No entries for you yet. That's good as well from my point. This is a bit of a risky entry, but I like the stocks. I like the stocks how are just did not continue any one of them continue higher. They were just rejecting every time the high, rejected the high. Same things as we see here on Nasdaq. So I'm looking for a continuation lower. Breaking this low will be my stop loss to break even. Let's see, Apple at least coming a little bit of a sell. We need this to break properly lower. Famous words. Definitely, I'm counter trading right now, but Anna will get screwed by it. Let's see. I have to improve my entries. My entry could have been much better than this. Looking. I might get stopped out there. Let's see. Still good for the short. Come on, market. Sell off. Come back below. Grab some more stop lower. Closing this candle now. At least it's a red candle. That's tough situation right now. Okay, we're gonna get stopped out. We're gonna accept it. Yeah, I could have done much better here. If I wanted to short, I should have shorted around my level here, and not here. Around my level here, I would have been quite already in profit. And as well, look at this upper moment on the 5 minutes candle. Really looking to go against it. We just need these stocks to short to come lower, but it's a bit hard. We are at 80% drawdown there of the stop loss. And yeah, man, I'm used to that. It's been like a year live trading every day. It's not easy. But no, Active Trader Society is a good guy. He's a good guy. There are type of judgment. There is not judgment. There are type of way to comment some people trading. Some people really do it in a bad way that just piss me off, and other people do it in the correct way. Hello, Soul. Oh my God, we're still alive, guys. It depends really on how you interact with people. It's really that's the. Are we gonna come back lower, or we're just playing with myself, with my life here? Piece of crap. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God. I'm gonna get stopped out. That's I got stopped out now. Look at that. Play with me. I didn't. Look, the idea would have been better. The idea of short. If I wanted to take a short. Remove these freaking 2 contracts. If I wanted to take a short, should have been somewhere here. And it was already TP, or almost at least stop loss in break even. Instead, now I looked for too late. But okay, we learn, we improve, we take the loss. First to stop and then lower. I think it's gonna happen like that. Again, guys, 90% is there, back with Apex. My code is the one there above. It's Hamza. Okay, I put Apex 90% code Hamza. You can use it as many times as you want, and it does help. Does help grinding this live stream every day for the last year. Almost no days off. Let's see how it evolves. I'm gonna wait for this 15 minutes range, guys. So choppy, yeah. Really so choppy. I got chopped out. I definitely went against the direction there, but it was fine if I had just a better entry. Here, but it's okay. We keep improving. Today, let's see if we're gonna get another trade. If not, one loss is fine. How much we lost there? $226, totally fine loss. $24. So a great loss. I really hope that no one stole my magnet on above on the last floor. It's gonna be a pain if someone stole it. Freaking need it. Should not, but like the bootleg setup, the volume is so suspicious. Where is I cannot put it here. The volume side. Usually I have the volume as well. The nice push there. It looks bullish. It looks bullish. It looks bullish. But shitty price action. That huge move in pre-market just removed the gasoline for the New York session. Really. A lot of the move of pre-market was just removed us all the fun right now. Look at this shit. Below this short here, I guess you mean. Look at that. I might look for, if I see these things holding right now with the stocks being strong enough. Okay, nothing. It's coming down. It's coming down. Oh, no, 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 no. It's coming down. Short with my 400. You don't have one. Shut the hell up. I might look for a long scalp above there. We come back above the 67 then. Ah, la 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 la. Market is playing with you. Market is playing with you guys today. In 45 minutes, we didn't get out from the 15-minute, the first 15-minute candle of the day. Just to let you know. In 45 minutes, we didn't get out from the 15 minutes range. That was a bad entry, by the way. Every time I look at it, I'm like, wow, could have done better. This one was a good trade, break even. It's coming down. Da 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 da. It's coming down. Yoo-hoo! I wanted to take the trade, but it hazy and shimmy. Hesitation time. I would like to get out from this 15-minute range, by the way, guys. That's the only things I would love to see this shit. Can you get out from the 50 minutes range? Would be something. But right now we did a 4 freaking quadruple top on there. Annoying top, 4 times top there. Yeah, everything right now looks more short. And we need that break lower, that strong break lower from Apple. Trading inside the 15, yes, they suck. Look at this. This is the high. We rejected the high 4 times. And now this is the low coming lower. Active Trader Society starting for shorts. Good luck to Active Trader Society. Wish you the best. Let's see how you perform. Let's see how you perform. Oh baby, let's go. Oh well. Come on, let's go. We are losing. What I can do right now on the 5 minutes there on the left side, pushing nicely lower. I would love to see our 19. Well, like, I mean, looking at this freaking shit, guys. This thing is playing with you guys. It's playing with us. It's playing with my life. It's playing with everyone. Let's see if I give it a shot right now. Will be the lows of the there. Just to have an idea. Short looking nice. Short looking beautiful. Like you, soul. It's coming lower there. No. Honestly, short they're looking start to look beautiful. I'm gonna look at probably for a short right now. Short, guys. Short. Make it happen. Tight risk. Looking for the short right now. We need this break lower for sure. Come on, market. Waterfall coming, hopefully. Come on, market. Push lower. Give me this break. Nice. Risking $200 to make, I think, around $300 was it? Was it? A bit more. If it happens. I like this short idea as well. We're coming lower, we're rejecting, little bounce. We can start closing candles lower. It will be nice. Okay. Sell a little bit more. Sell more. Oh, market sell off. Everything nice to be a slice of a butter right now. Oh, we're gonna get screwed. We're gonna get screwed, guys. We're gonna get screwed. I'm gonna give it this a little bit of space there high on these things, but that's the amount of space I give it. Coming to the opening print level of the day. Okay, market. You want to be nasty with me today? Be nasty with me. I will accept my max loss. Not looking great. Not looking great. That freaking Tesla. How the heck Tesla pushed like that? Bounce it from these lows. Come on, market. Give us a quick short here. Then you can go to the sky. Wow. That's why I have a stop loss. That's why I have a stop loss, guys. 424 max loss on the day. I'm gonna call it out, and thanks God I have a max loss, a stop loss settled somewhere, because that things is ugly as shit today. Today was the day to leave the market where it was. Never left the 50 minutes range. Good short, bad short. Good short because I still like it. Coming back lower, possibility to make a second leg lower, but of course, stuff like this happens. Bad short, could have done much better. Good long and stop loss and break even, so I did not count it as a break even trade. One loss, one loss. Could have done better today? Yes, I think I could have done better today. I could have done better by avoiding freaking trading today, because we were still in the 50 minutes range all the time. We're not making anything outside of it. So trying to get this, playing inside the range, playing between this level as well, 67 and opening print level. Thanks God for stop loss. For max loss on the day, I'm calling it out, and we recover it in another day, trading day. I wish I could have done better today, but today is the day. That's when you are excited for the day, is when you're gonna fucked up something, especially when there is a big gap like this. It's part of the game. Yeah, no, I don't take it in the heart. I don't take it anymore. I'm done with my tradings. This is my second shot, so I call it out. But yeah, I could have done better. It's just a learning procedure. No need to push anymore. It can skyrocket. It can go down to the bottom of the herd. We don't care anymore. Very bad price action. Just by looking at this, just leaving it there alone was a win. So I have to just improve on that as myself as a trader. Is don't touch trades when I like that. Nick, these are the days where breakout traders get screwed. But yesterday might break. I think his skill is identified which days which early. Yeah, and today, Nick, I agree, because we had a nice, beautiful range here. We should have just waited until we were getting out from these 15 minutes. Look at this horrible price action on the 5 minutes. Short, both shorts as well. By looking shorts when this 5 minutes is totally bullish. A bit of a screw there. Looking at this, holding the EMEA, making higher, lower, higher, high. Kind of screwed as well there, but we keep improving. Definitely, this was a bit of a screw. Looking at the short in this twice. If I wanted to short it, at least short it at the highs, close to the highs. Don't short it at the lows, both twice. But it's okay. And it's gonna break right now. Look at this. Let's see. If I was gonna be patient, let's see what's gonna happen today. Right now we're back above. We're getting to the range of the 15 minutes. After 4 times, we might get the break. We might. Famous words. I just need to learn how to avoid these days. See you soon. Thank you for coming, by the way. I just need to learn how to avoid these days and avoid taking losses when I just can keep a good break-even day. By the way, guys, 90% off, always with Apex, blah, blah, blah. I got hands up, blah, blah, blah. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. I'm gonna wait for 2-3 minutes and then look at this situation. Then I'm gonna run upstairs to see if I can find my magnet. Hopefully I can find it. I didn't lose it. Looking at this push. Oh, baby. let me tell you something. We're getting screwed today by this market. Really, just inside the 50-minute range. Should have just avoided. I think what I should apply is a rule as well. The fact that I have 2 trades, but one trade inside the 50-minute range is fine. The second trade has to be outside the 50-minute range, just to avoid getting chopped out inside the 50 minutes. If one trade does not go well, just don't take any more trades inside the 50 minutes. That can be a good strategy, a good rule. It doesn't make sense. Difficult day, but we accept it. Everyone left in one shot. We had 14 people and now 9 people. Just everyone left right now, or just my live is not working? Just want to see these 15 minutes, but I think I'm gonna call it anyway. Probably it's gonna happen that this looks this beautiful. It's gonna break, then you take a nice retest of the 50 minutes range and then you go long. I'm gonna look into that. I think it's gonna happen mostly, but that's gonna be a beautiful trade. $50 minutes range retest would match properly as well with a probably nice breaker retest as well with the stocks there. Yeah, very unlucky with the short here. One nice push, coming back lower. Yes, we grabbed liquidity here and no liquidity. There is no liquidity there before active society kills me, but it did it on the stocks. Guys, I think it's done. Have a beautiful day. 90% is off there, guys. As many times as you want, you can use it. Code Hamza. I appreciate each one that helps me. Look at that 15 minutes right now, breaking there. Whatever. We accept the loss. We move on. I'm done for today. Guys, see you tomorrow. Look at that breaking right now. Let's see. Let's see how it's gonna do. He wants to break. I should have kept my long. This shot was a pain in the ass. I was looking for just this short here. I increased my risk just because I was like, above this, I'm gonna call it. It's gonna reverse. You got sucked in. I'm sorry. Look, right now it looks good for longs. It's closing above finally for the first time. This looks good. This looks good. This looks good for longs. Right now, even just entering here and risking probably this amount will be a nice trade there. Let's see if it's hold the 15 minutes. Right now, it's kind of come back and retesting it. Getting long again. Longs looks good, to be honest. Longs looks amazing. If I had one more trade to take, I would have taken it here. Taking long, risking risking here, and then giving it 1-to-1 or even 1-to-1.5 risk reward. This trade, it looks it's gonna work, guys. Yeah, my bad, taking 2 trades inside the 50 minutes range. Right now that we're outside the 50 minutes range, this thing is gonna fly. '60s, the '80s there. There's nothing. Apple is pushing, Amazon is pushing. They look great, but great is great, not here anymore. Gonna call it, guys. This thing is gonna fly. That was the 50 minutes range retest. Look at the heat map. Heat map is all green. Yeah. No, everything looks back to green. Look at that Apple. Yeah, what I should have done, taking only one trade inside the range. for example, this trade, call it out and wait until the 50 minutes range was going to be breaking. At least we were getting some direction, more the confirmation. And then try to play long side now, and then you will be like, you will be totally golden. Here, looks it wants to fly away, especially if we break. We just broke the highs there. So yeah, it definitely looks for beautiful break higher. Yeah, I took this second trade a bit too early. And right now, I will be flying gold. But it's okay. I'm gonna call it, guys. Have a beautiful day. See you tomorrow. Thank you so much. And thank you very much for everyone. Each one of you that came and commented, thank you so much.